In this video, we will explain how to unbox the BVC S600 and S700 central units from the shipping box and which accessories are included in the delivery. First, open the box by cutting the tape with a utility knife. Remove the accessories from the box. Included in the delivery are a power cable, an operation manual, a supply air connection sleeve, a wall bracket with screws, a replacement bag in addition to the dust filter bag which is already in the machine, as well as a HEPA 13 clean air filter. This is only used if the exhaust air is not routed outside of the building. With a HEPA 13 filter, the unit can be run in recirculation mode. Position the box with the central vacuum unit vertically. Pull the BVC central vacuum unit on the wall mount bracket out of the box and remove the cardboard cover and the plastic foil. If you leave the exhaust air outdoors, you can now put the device on the wall mounting bracket. For recirculation mode, the HEPA 13 filter must be installed. This is explained in another video. Please follow the link on the description or card. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications to never miss a BVC video.